In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the beneficent of all. Honorable guests, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am honored to speak about one of the most significant and inspiring events in Islamic history, the event of Karbala. The tragedy of Karbala took place on the 10th of Muharram in the year of 61 AH near the city of Karbala in the present day of Iraq. It is not merely a historical event, it is a timeless lesson of courage, sacrifice, faith and steadfastness. At the center of this great event was Imam Hussain, the beloved grandson of Prophet Muhammad. Imam Hussain was the son of Ali ibn Abi Talib and Fatima bint Muhammad. He was known for his honesty, wisdom, piety and devotion to Islam. When Yazid became the ruler, he demanded allegiance from Imam Hussain. However, Imam Hussain believed that supporting injustice and corruption was against the teachings of Islam. Therefore, he refused to pledge allegiance. His goal was not power. His goal was to preserve the true values of Islam. Imam Hussain left Medina with his family and his loyal companions. On their journey, they were stopped by Yazid's army in Karbala. The army surrounded them and blocked their access to water from the river Euphrates. For several days, Imam Hussain, his family and his companions suffered from extreme thirst. कत्ले हुसैन असल में मर्गे यजीद है, कत्ले हुसैन असल में मर्गे यजीद है, इस्लाम जिंदा होता है हर करबला के बाद. One by one, his companions sacrifices their lives for truth and justice. This tragic incident shows the cruelty of the oppressors and the patience of Imam Hussain. The message of Karbala is universal. It teaches us to remain truthful. It teaches us courage. It teaches us to be patient. It teaches us faith in Allah. The sacrifice of Imam Hussain was not in vain. Today, millions of people around the world remember Karbala and honor the sacrifices made there. सर कटा तो सकते हैं मगर सर झुका नहीं सकते, सर कटा तो सकते हैं मगर सर झुका नहीं सकते, ये सबक दुनिया को देता है हुसैन इब्ने अली. As students and members of society, we should learn from the character of Imam Hussain. We should speak the truth. We should help the oppressed. We should remain firm in our principles. Let us honor the legacy of Imam Hussain. May Allah